assert my firm belief that the only thing we have to fear is fear itself.
77 years ago, our fathers brought forth upon this continent a new nation.
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other thing, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
And I want to say this to the television audience, because people have got to know whether or not their president's a crook. Well, I'm not a crook.
Government is not the solution to our problem. Government is the problem.
Read my lips.
My fellow Americans, I stand before you tonight to report that the state of our union is strong.
So I hear the voices, and I read the front page, but I'm the decider. We will invest more in revolutionary solar and wind technologies, creating human-animal hybrids.
Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country.
Fool me once. Shame on you. It fooled me, we can't get fooled again. I know the human being and fish can coexist peacefully.
Hillary told us that she is going to do everything she can to elect Barack Obama.
Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall.
My fellow Americans, I'm asking you to believe, yes we can. Yes we did. Yes we can. Thank you. God bless you.
1.2 billion. So you go ahead and you stack spaghetti sauce at a store, in a supermarket, on a forklift. What happened?
Bing, 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 bang, bang, bing, bing, bang, bang, boom, bing, 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 Anthony Weiner, bing, bong, bing, bong, bing, bong.
Far spacious skies, far amber waves of grain, far purple mountain majesties. Now wait a minute, I'm talking about America, sweet America. You know, God done shed his grace on thee. He crowned our good. Yes, he did. Every brotherhood from sea to shining sea. You know, I wish I had somebody to help me sing this. America, I love you, America.